Hi everyone, so today's Throwback Thursday video is going to be pancakes. That's right, we lived off of pancakes for years because we were poor. So I got my strainer in my KitchenAid, and this is self-rising flour. There's 1 cup in there right now. You don't have to shift it, but I like doing it. When it comes to my pancakes, we're also going to add 2 eggs, some cinnamon, some milk, and some sugar. Then behind you, I got my griddle going on my stove, preheating. I like to preheat that for 15 to 20 minutes. If you're using a regular flat pan, then you don't have to do that. But you still have to preheat. Scraper paddle. New addition to our family here, and I love it. Before I put anything in there, I'm going to drop in about that much cinnamon, that much sugar, maybe a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to give this a little rough stir. Alright, let's get this going. I'm going to add the 2 eggs. Bring it in so you can see. The 2 eggs in there. Now the vanilla. About a tablespoon. And I'm going to add my milk. Let the batter loose. I'll put that light on it, that will help. Still a little too thick. You want it a thin batter. Like pancake batter, they say. On here. Yep, she's going to smoke. Because it's nice and hot. With that, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to it. Then I push the middle out. Then we'll know it's good. Bubbling, not boiling. That won't take long at all. Trying to hope my camera ain't falling again. Alright. I'm going to hold you. See all these bubbles? You want those. That's what makes your pancakes nice and fluffy. And you want to wait until they get all the way around. Let's see if I can flip it. I tried. Just let them flip until you see them nice and airy. That one I'm going to let go just a little bit longer because it looks a little doughy. Okay, so I already took a picture and I got the egg on there. It broke, but yes, it's on there. And I took 1 bite, but I'm holding the camera, so I don't want to eat in front of you guys like that. But it's really good. Look at how airy it is. Oh yeah. Now we called this getting along food. Because back in the day, I had 3 young kids, a husband that worked a lot of hours, and I was working 2-3 jobs, so we lived off of pancakes and eggs for a long time. And potatoes. You can make so many different menus with potatoes, eggs, and pancakes, or, you know, the self-raising flour. It's amazing. So, from my memories of way back when, thank God we don't have to do this all the time, this would be my Throwback Thursday video for you guys. I know it's nothing spectacular, but some people out there don't even know how to cook a pancake, so maybe now they do. And let me tell you, it feeds a family. And it's a good dinner. So big hugs from my pantry to yours. God bless, and everyone have a blessed day. Bye.